Listen, if the White House is experiencing a Shaq attack, I'm the wrong dude to save the world. I did Fear Factor with Shaq. If we were holding hands, it'd be like a 6-year-old at the park with his dad. We're barely the same thing. So do I think women should guard the White House? No, I don't think I should either. It's not sexist to say that women can't do big physical labor things. Is good.
I think it's kind of cool him saying, I can't guard the White House. So, like, can I fight? Yes. Am I a professional fighter? Yes. But there's someone better for this job.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
You know what I mean? And I think it's beautiful when you're speaking to your crowd, you don't have to spell it out like that. But sometimes for the internet, we're at a point where comedy has turned into TED Talks because you have to qualify it in such a way that it's so clear that no one can misconstrue.
Yeah.
You know, he didn't do that, thankfully, because you take the comedy out when you do that. But him saying, I can't guard the White House, that's a big statement. Look at his neck. You think he can't guard something?
He's got a horse neck.
Yeah, you think he can't? Look at him like, I would never want to fight this dude. Like, if I had to fight him,
sure,
I'm picking up something. Mm-hmm. Like, first I'm talking it out, and then I'm picking something up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So him saying, I can't guard the White House, it hits different. You know, that's like, it's like when an NBA player says another NBA player is great. That's not some dude on his couch saying
No, that's when you listen.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So